Hey everyone, so you join me inside the new Ford Capri. This is an all-electric four-door crossover. I've literally just been given the key to the car by Peoples Ford here in Livingston, and yeah, I thought why not give you a first impressions of the vehicle and see what it's like. So let me flip the camera around so you can see the car. So this is the interior. Now first thing off the bat, the key's quite weighty, and it's got quite a heavy heft to it, and it's got kind of chrome black gloss plastic. The sound bar, which is B&O, is catching my eye straight off the bat. We've got the heads-up display, as you can see, a little screen up here. Similar to what I've seen in the Ford Explorer, we've got this little bit here that slides forward and back. And this storage in here, when you lock the car, locks, so you can put some valuables, I guess, in there. We do have touch capacitive radio buttons here. Parking camera, of course, if you wanted to that, which we'll worry about that in a second. Charging pads, we've got one here for the driver side, and the passenger's kind of like a rubberized storage area. Two cup holders, and then we do have a little bit more storage underneath here. And like the Explorer, you can remove that, and it's able to store a bag, maybe even a handbag or something like that, which is quite practical. Materials overall, they're premium enough. I've got a nice kind of blend of plastics, and I like the colour trim of this with the kind of greys and the light greys, dove grey, chrome for a physical door handle, some mood lighting, window switches over here, boot release down there, and then these touch capacitive buttons over here for your lights, so you can change your mode, whatever it may be. As you can see, cycle through and just leave it in auto. The gear selector's up here, put it forward and back, and your 360 camera pops up. But yeah, wanted to show you this car up close and personal. And then we've got these little buttons in here, little metal bits on the steering wheel. They're not buttons, to remind you, kind of a nod back to the original Capri. So that is one of the nods back to the Capris of the 70s. But overall, first impressions are good. It does definitely feel like a premium feeling vehicle. It's been a crossover. You're sitting up a little bit higher, as you can see with the row of Fiestas in front of me there. Quite chunky mirrors. I can see blind spot there in the corner of it. But yeah, that is the first impressions of the car. If I move a little bag down, you're going to see the kind of crisscross leather on the seats and the kind of one-piece design to make it look a little bit kind of sporty. Kind of look a bit sporty, but definitely feel a little bit more comfortable than an outright sports seats. This doesn't pull out, which I thought that might have. That wasn't a genuine first impressions there, but yeah, that doesn't. But yeah, let's get it out on the road for the review. So this was the first impressions, and I will get a review out to you guys once I've done this. Thanks for watching.